Let's start with the exercise 1.2. Which rational number is a greater? The question is, which rational number is a greater? Is it 3 by 4 and 0? So obviously here it is very clear that 3 by 4 is greater than 0. Let's see here. Minus half and minus 4 by 7. Which fraction is greater, we have to see. Is it? Or which rational number is a greater? For doing that, first we have to make the denominator equal. For making the denominator equal, we have to take LCM of 2 and 7. Is it? What is LCM of 2 and 7? 2 ones are 2. 7. Then 7. 1, 1. So LCM is 14. Is it? So you have to multiply. Here, denominator, you have to make the here denominator 14. So it is half, minus half. How will make the denominator 14? By multiplying with 7. And if you multiply denominator with 7, you have to multiply with numerator also 7. So what you get? Minus 7 by 14. And here, what you get? Minus 4 by 7. You have to make the denominator 14. So you have to multiply with 2. Numerator as denominator. So you will get minus 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14. So you will get 14. Okay. So which number is a greater? Obviously minus 7 by 14 is greater than minus 8 by 14. What is minus 7 by 14? Minus 7 by 14 is half. So implies is minus half is greater than minus 4 by 7. Is it? Let's see here. What is the denominator? 15 and 10. If you want to compare, we have to make the denominator equal. Is it? So for that, we have to take LCM of 15 and 10. What is the LCM of 15 and 10? So we will take 2. So 15 and 5. If we take 3, then 5 and 5, then 5. So 5 3s are 15, 15, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are, it is 30. So we have to make the denominator 30. So first rational number is 8 by 15. So which number you will multiply here to get 30? 2. So you have to multiply denominator 2 and numerator also with 2. So 2 8s are 16 and 15 2s are 30. So you got 16 upon 30. Let's see. And another rational number is given as 3 by 10. So multiply. To make the denominator 30, which number you will multiply? 3. So 3 here and 3 also numerator. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 10s are 30. So now you can compare. Denominator is same. Numerator is what? 16 and 9. So which number is a greater? 16. So obviously 16 upon 30 is greater than 9 by 30. What is 16 upon 30? It is 8 by 15. So 8 by 15 is greater than, second fraction is 3 by 10. So greater than 3 by 10. Is it? Let's move on to the foursome. What is LCM here? LCM is 10. So first fraction you take. So what you will do to make the denominator 10? Multiply with 5. So you have to multiply with numerator also with 5. 5 into minus. So you will get minus 5. 5 2s are 10. So you will get fraction minus 5 by 10. Now convert this 8 by 5. This is second fraction. You have to make the numerator 10. So you have to multiply with 2. So 2 minus 16. 5 2s are 10. So which fraction is a greater now? Minus 5. So minus 5 by 10 is greater than minus 16 by 10. What is minus 5 by 10? It is minus half. So minus half is greater than minus 8 by 5. So yes. Question 2. Represent on the number line. First fraction is given minus 5 by 6. Okay. Is it? Minus 5 by 6. What is in denominator? 6. Where it is there? Minus. So we'll take minus here. Is it? Minus 5 by 6. So divide 0 to 1 into 6 equal part. 1. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it? Okay. 6 equal part. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is 6 by 6? 6 by 6 is minus 1. What is 6 by 6? You write here. Say minus 6 by 6 is what? Equal to minus 1. So this is minus 1. Is it? What is here? 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6. Minus 2 by 6. Minus 3 by 6. Minus 4 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. Here it will come minus 1. 6 by 6 is minus 1. What we are looking for? Minus 5 by 6. So here is your minus 5 by 6. Is it? Okay. Understand? I'll draw it again clearly. See here. Again 0. 6 equal part you have to draw since denominator is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What this part is? Minus 1 by 6. Minus 2 by 6. Minus 3 by 6. Minus 4 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. And minus 6 by 6 is equal to 6 by 6 is equal to minus 1. So this is your 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. Is it? Let's move on to second question. 3 by 7 plus C 3 by 7. So you will draw here 0. What is the denominator? 7. So you will draw into 7 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is 7 by 7? 7 by 7 is equal to 1. What is this here? 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. What is 3 by 7? Here is your 3 by 7. Is it clear? Let's move on to third question. Let's move on to third question. It is minus 2 by 7. Is it? So 0, it should be divided to 7 equal part. What is that? 1, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 6, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 and 7 by 7 is minus 1. Where we are looking for? Minus 2 by 7. So this is minus 2 by 7. Now next fourth, minus 8 by 11. So it is divided into 0 to 1 should be divided into, okay, 0 to minus 1 should be divided into 11 equal part. So it is minus 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11, 4 by 11, minus 4 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 6 by 11, minus 7 by 11, minus 8 by 11. It is your minus 8 by 11. Is it clear? Okay. Now, arrange in the ascending order. Is it? So, what fraction is given us? It is first is minus 8 by 15, minus 3 by 10, minus 13 by 20, minus 17 by 30. We have to take LCM of it. Is it? What is LCM of 15, 10, 20 and 30? If you take LCM like this, you will get LCM 60. Okay. Now you have to see the first fraction, minus 8 by 15. By which number you will multiply here to get 60? If you don't know, you can find from this your LCM. What is the denominator? 15. Remove 15 from here. 5 and 3. 15 remove. What left? 4. So you have to multiply with 4. Now 10. So remove 10 from here. 5 and 2. 10 removed. What left? 3 and 2. 6. So you have to multiply with 6. Is it? To get 60. Now 20. Is it? So 4, 2 and 5. So you will get 20. So what left? 3. So you have to multiply with 3. Okay, 30. You have to multiply with 2 to get 60. Is it? Okay. So what is LCM? 60. If you do so, what do you get first fraction? Multiply the numerator and the denominator with what? 4. Is it? So 8, this fraction will change into 8 by 15 will be changed into minus 32 by 60, and the next 3 by 8, 10 will change into 18 by 16, and then it is will be multiplied with 3. So it is 39 by 60, and this fourth one 17 will multiply with 2, so you will get minus 34 by 2. So now we can arrange easily since the denominator are same. Is it? Leave this, denominator are same. Is it? We are talking about a minus sign. Okay. So where we will move on to? We are finding out ascending order. Is it? So 39 from highest to lowest will move. So 39 is highest. So minus 39. So it is minus 39 by 60, minus 34 by 60, minus 32, minus 18 by 60. Pause. Let's children move to the second question. Second fraction you see, minus 13 by 5, minus 2 by 1, minus 7 by 3, minus 2 by 3. Is it? Now first you have to take LCM of 5, 3, 3. So 3 and 5. So what is LCM? 15. So how will make the denominator 15? So now you have to convert this fraction by multiplying the numerator as the denominator by 3. First thing is that all the denominator will become 15. Then we can compare the numerator. Therefore we are doing so. So first fraction minus 13 by 5 should multiply by numerator and denominator by 3. So 3 into 13, that is 39 by 15. Second fraction we have to multiply with 15 because we have to make the denominator 15. So multiply denominator and numerator by 15. So you will get minus 30 by 15. Second, you have to multiply with 5 to get 15 denominator. So multiplying it, you will get minus 35 by 15. Is it? Here you have to make the denominator again 15. So multiply with 5 numerator and denominator. So you will get a fraction 10 by 5. Is it? So you have to arrange in the ascending order. So first will come 10 by 15, then minus 39 by 15, then minus 35 by 15, and then minus 30 by 15. Is it? Okay. Now same way, move on to the next question. Arrange in the ascending order. Is it? So first method will be the same. Arrange in the descending order. Is it? Now what we did, the method will be the same. The fraction is given minus 5 by 12, minus 7 by 6, minus 3 by 8, minus 11 by 7. Is it? First we have to make the denominator equal. To make the denominator equal, we have to find LCM. So finding LCM, what we get? 168. Now 168, too big number to know by which number you will multiply the denominator to make 168. So easiest method is that you already taken LCM. So remove 12. Here denominator is 12. So remove 12. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, 2 2s are 4. You can remove 12 here. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So if you remove this 3 number, what left? 2 and 7. So 14. So you have to multiply 12 with 14 to get 168. You got the answer. Is it? Now the next denominator is 6. So remove 6. 2 3s are 6. So if you remove 6, what left? 7, 2 and 2. So 4 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. So you have to multiply with 28. Remove 8 now from this. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. If you remove, then 7 3s are 21. So you have to multiply the denominator 21 with 21. So you will get 168. Now denominator is 7. Remove 7. So what left? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So you have to multiply 7 with 24 to make the denominator 168. So if we multiply first fraction with 14, the numerator and denominator will get minus 60 upon 168. And second, 7 by 6 with 28 will get 196 upon 168. And third, with 21 with numerator and denominator will get minus 63 upon 168. And the fourth fraction with 24 will get minus 264 upon 168. Is it? Now arrange them. So what will get? Minus 60 upon 168, minus 63 upon 168, minus 196 upon 168, and minus 264 upon 168. What is a fraction? This 60 upon 168, it is 5 by 12. 63 upon 168 is what? It is 3 by 7. 196 upon 168 was, original fraction was minus 7 by 6, and minus 2 by 68 upon 168, the original fraction was minus 11 by 7. Is it? Let's move on to the second question in this. The fraction is 17 upon 11, minus 7 upon 5, minus 11 upon 9, minus 13 upon 8. You have to take LCM of 11, 15, 9 and 8. If you take LCM is become 3960. That is too big. Is it? Now you remove 11 from here. So if you remove 11 and multiply, you will get 360. So first fraction you have to multiply numerator and denominator with 360. What is here? 5. So remove 5, then 11, 3, 3, 2, 2. If you multiply, you will get 264. Is it? So numerator and denominator has to be multiplied with 264. Now 9. So remove 9. 3 3s are 9. If you remove 9, then 5, 11, 2, 2, 2. If you multiply, you will get 444. So you have to multiply numerator and denominator with 444. Is it? Now what is the denominator? 8. So remove 8. So first 2, these 2 2s are 4. This 3 you remove. So what left? What left with you? 3 3s are 9. Okay, 5, 45, 45, and with 11, so you will get 495. So you have to multiply numerator and denominator with 495. If you are doing so, you will get ratio like this. Okay, then understood? So then you have to arrange is in descending order. What is decreasing? Is it? How it is a decreasing? So you will arrange it like this. You will arrange it. Then you have to compare what is a fraction. What is 1848 upon 3960? Which fraction is that? You have to remember the first fraction. Is it? It is number second. So second is what? Minus 7 by 5. So it becomes 7 by 5. This fraction, where it is in third fraction, this comes as a third fraction. What is the third number here? 1, 2, 3. 11 by 9. So 11 by 9. Is it? Which fraction is here? This one. This one comes to be first fraction. What is the first fraction here? 7 by 11. So minus 7 by 11. Okay. So you can arrange like this. Now write 5 rational number which are smaller than minus 1. Okay. Minus 1, where it is false? It is minus 1 is smaller than minus 1. So it is 0, minus 1. And then after this whichever number falls, all this number ranging from here to minus infinity is less than minus 1. So you can write minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 7 by 2, minus 2, minus 9 by 2. You can write any number of fraction, but it should be between, okay, minus 1 to minus infinity. Is it? Okay. Now last question. Write 5 rational number which are greater than minus 3 by 2. Is it? Minus 3 by 2, if you say, then divide it, what will get? 1.5. Is it? Minus 1.5. Greater than, then if you say it is here, it comes here as minus 1.5. And is it? Here it is minus 1. Is it? So this number, all this number, you can write positive number also, including 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, whatever number from here, from excluding minus 1.5 to infinity, any number of fraction you can write, it will be always be greater than minus 1.5. Thank you very much.